Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Torque Wanderers. So today we'll be unboxing a package from Royal Enfield. So coming to the unboxing part, so these are the Royal Enfield Knox level 2 knee guards. So I had ordered 2 pieces. So I've been using this for more than a year. So the product is really brilliant. So the MRP of this product is 3,990. So I got these 2 pieces for my friends. So I got at a very special price, so that I'll be sharing at the last. So now let's move on to the unboxing of this one. This product is a collaboration from Knox with Royal Enfield. So this how is the packaging. Let me open it. So we have something like this which you have to push it. I'll remove the knee guards. So the knee guard looks. So people who have a confusion in buying the knee guards, so you have multiple levels in this. Basic one, C level 1 and C level 2. So this is C level 2, the best one. As you can see all the protection. And you have this is universal size, for everyone this will fit. So you have 3 velcros across it. So there is decent amount of sponging here so that it doesn't hurt you. So this is all the branding. And whenever you wear it, right, so whenever you sit, this will be bending so that you have proper grip in this as well. It will not pain your legs, because I have been using this for a year now. So as you can see, everything is mentioned here itself from the company Knox. So these are level 2 armors. In the market, I don't think for this price you will have any other level 2 option. All you get is from Rhinox and other companies, which is still level 1 itself. Now you can see the fit is proper, so across 3 points. So whenever you bend, you won't get much of pain here. So people who are looking for very good knee guard, which is level 2 at the budget of within 4,000 rupees, just go for it. And when you buy, go for level 2. I think Royal Enfield now has introduced level 1 as well. So make sure you choose level 2, where you get the best protection. As you can see, it is like carbon fiber finish which they have given, and the guards are really good, as you can see. So coming to the pricing, there was some 35% off which was going in the website. So that's the reason I got this one for around 2,900 roughly. So I got 2 pieces at very good discounted price. So I'll be sharing the link in the description, so whoever is interested can go and buy this product. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any queries related to this, please comment down below. Thank you, and do subscribe.